The Untold History of Warren Buffett. One of the most successful investors in history, Warren Buffett is frequently referred to as the Oracle of Omaha due to his exceptional ability to spot cheap businesses and produce substantial long-term profits. Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska on August 30th, 1930. His rise from young businessman to CEO of Berkshire Hathaway is evidence of his methodical approach to investing and astute business sense. His method of value investing, which is distinguished by careful investigation and an emphasis on high-quality businesses, has impacted many investors globally. Buffett is renowned for his philanthropic endeavours in addition to his financial achievements, having donated the majority of his fortune to worthy causes. Future generations are still motivated by his legacy in the philanthropic and financial domains. Number 7. Early beginnings. Born in Omaha, Nebraska on August 30th, 1930, Warren Buffett came from a family that valued education and business. Warren was exposed to the world of finance at a young age thanks to his father, Howard Buffett, who was a stockbroker and member of the US Congress. He had an entrepreneurial sense from an early age. He even ran a paper route and sold neighbours Coca-Cola and chewing gum. He bought his first stock at the age of 11, purchasing $38 worth of Citi Service preferred shares. This first investment experience was crucial. He sold the stock too soon after it had risen to $40 and then dropped back to $27, only to see it increase to $200. Number 6. Investment partnerships. Following his graduation from Columbia Business School in 1951, where he was taught by value investing pioneer Benjamin Graham, Buffett returned to Omaha in 1956 to form Buffett Partnership Limited. Through this investment partnership, he was able to combine funds from friends and relatives to purchase cheap equities that he thought had a high chance of rising in value. Buffett used Graham's value investing theories, concentrating on businesses with strong foundations that were undervalued. Buffett's partnership saw remarkable returns over the following 10 years, and by the time he ended the partnerships in 1969, he had established a solid reputation as a shrewd investor who could handle market swings and still generate a profit. Number 5. Acquisition of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett's most significant investment came in 1962 when he began purchasing shares of Berkshire Hathaway, then a struggling textile business suffering diminishing earnings due to foreign competition and changing market dynamics. Recognizing its core assets such as its real estate holdings and cash reserves, Buffett progressively took control by 1965. Instead of continuing its textile operations, which he regarded unpromising, he transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a diversified holding firm focused on purchasing businesses with high cash flows and development potential across several sectors. He was able to use Berkshire's insurance businesses, particularly GEICO, as a source of funding for additional acquisitions thanks to this calculated maneuver. Number 4. Investment philosophy. Value investing, which focuses on finding undervalued businesses with solid fundamentals that are expected to increase in value over time, is a key component of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy. He places a strong emphasis on conducting thorough research and comprehending firms before investing in them. He frequently looks for organizations that have economic moats that shield them from rivals or long-lasting competitive advantages. Buffett is well known for advising investors to buy stocks as though they were buying whole businesses. This way of thinking promotes long-term planning as opposed to speculating or trading in response to market changes. He promotes holding on to high-quality equities for long periods of time in order to let their full worth to be realized. This idea is summed up in his famous statement, "Our favorite holding term is forever." Number 3. Key investments. Throughout his storied career, Warren Buffett has made several landmark investments that have profoundly molded his wealth and image as an investor. One of his most well-known investments was made in the late 1980s when he made a significant investment in Coca-Cola during a market downturn. Buffett bought more than $1 billion worth of shares of the company, realizing that its global distribution network and strong brand loyalty were essential to its long-term success. Since then, the value of this investment has increased dramatically, and it is still among Berkshire Hathaway's biggest holdings. Other notable investments include See's Candies, which demonstrated Buffett's predilection for businesses with devoted client groups and pricing power, and American Express amid its financial difficulties in the 1960s when Buffett saw promise in its strong brand. His investment strategy has been characterized by his ability to see long-term value where others saw risk. For example, his early investment in Apple shows that he not only understood technology, but also recognized trends in consumer behavior and brand loyalty that would fuel future growth. Number 2. Philanthropy. Warren Buffett is renowned for his thrift and dedication to philanthropy, even though he is one of the richest persons in the world, often among the top 3. He declared in June 2006 that he intended to progressively give away around 85% of his fortune to non-profit organizations, with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation receiving the majority of these donations. By emphasizing the value of giving back to society rather than hoarding fortune for one's own legacy or family inheritance, this choice signaled a dramatic change in the way billionaires view wealth. Along with his own contributions, Buffett and Bill Gates co-founded the Giving Pledge in 2010, which urged other billionaires to donate at least half of their fortune to charitable causes, either while they are still alive or after they pass away. His charitable endeavors concentrate on tackling urgent worldwide concerns like healthcare, particularly the fight against diseases like polio, education by endorsing programs that increase accessibility, poverty reduction by means of programs that promote economic empowerment, and environmental sustainability by investing in renewable energy. Number 1. Legacy. Beyond his financial achievements, Warren Buffett is considered one of the greatest investors of all time and is a global inspiration for aspiring investors. Numerous people have been impacted by his value investing ideas, from new investors learning about finance through publications like Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor to seasoned professionals implementing his methods in institutional settings. Through his yearly letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, which he has done since 1977, Buffett provides insights on economic trends, investment strategies, corporate governance procedures, and moral business conduct, making even those outside of Wall Street's elite circles able to understand complex financial concepts. He is known for his straightforward communication style and folksy wisdom that resonates with many people. Phrases like Warren Buffett's journey from a young investor in Omaha to one of the wealthiest individuals in the world is a remarkable story of discipline, insight, and ethical leadership. His investment philosophy, rooted in value investing and a long-term perspective, has not only generated immense wealth, but also set a standard for responsible investing. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.